Very good morning to all. I hope you are doing great. I am also good. Very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Reena and I am so happy to have you here. In today's video, we are going to talk about the unit third of management subject. So these are the topics that we are going to discuss in today's class. So first topic we have strategic role of human resource management. Second topic we have competency mapping and balanced scorecard, career planning and development, performance management and appraisal, organizational development change and OD interventions. OD interventions, that means the organizational development interventions, talent management and skill development. Next we have employee engagement and work life balance. After that we have, okay, wait for a second. Okay, next we have trade union and collective bargaining. After that we have international human resource management, HR challenge of international business. And last topic we have green HRM. HRM, that means the human resource management. So let's understand each topic one by one. So let's start with the first topic, strategic role of human resource management. So basically strategic human resource management means that HR. HR, that means human resource, is not just responsible for hiring or payroll, but actively contributes to business strategy and long term planning. अगर हम स्ट्रेटजिक एचआरएम की अगर हम बात करें तो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स का मतलब ये ही नहीं है कि सिर्फ उसको हायरिंग करनी है या वो सिर्फ रिस्पॉन्सिबल है पेरोल के लिए, बल्कि जो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स का जो मतलब है उसका मतलब ये है कि उसका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन रहेगा वो अदर चीज़ों में भी रहेगा, जैसे कि बिजनेस के लिए स्ट्रेटजीज बनानी है, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए प्लानिंग करनी है, कितना एक बिजनेस के लिए प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए, कितना लॉस होना चाहिए, किस तरीके से प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट में लाना है, किस तरीके से उसकी एडवर्टाइजिंग होनी चाहिए किसी प्रोडक्ट की, ये सारी चीज़ें देखना, ये सारा आता है स्ट्रेटजिक एचआरएम के अंदर. इट इंश्योर्स दैट ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्रैक्टिसेस लाइक रिक्रूटमेंट, ट्रेनिंग, परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट एंड एम्प्लॉय रिटेंशन आर अलाइंड विद organizational goals such as growth, innovation और cost leadership. और जो एच आर प्रैक्टिसेस हैं लाइक रिक्रूटमेंट, जो कि एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में की जाती हैं, रिक्रूटमेंट करना, ट्रेनिंग देना, परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट, लाइक जो एम्प्लॉयज़ होंगे जो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करेंगे किस तरीके से उनकी जो परफॉर्मेंस है उसको मैनेज किया जाएगा, एंड एम्प्लॉय रिटेंशन, कितने नंबर ऑफ़ एम्प्लॉयज़ आप हायर कर रहे हो, एंड उनका जो अगर रिटेंशन चीज़ देखें हम कि कितने वो रिटेन कर रहे हैं, एक साल में कितने एम्प्लॉयज़ आपके पास टिक रहे हैं, एंड कितने एम्प्लॉयज़ जो हैं वो जॉब छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें देखना आर अलाइंड विद द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल्स सच एज ग्रोथ, इनोवेशन एंड कॉस्ट लीडरशिप. बेसिकली अगर देखा जाए तो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ये सारी चीज़ें देखी जाती हैं कि वेल्थ मैक्सिमाइजेशन में फोकस किया जाता है एंड प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन, एज वेल एज ऑल्सो फोकस इन प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन. किस तरीके से एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो प्रॉफिट है उसको मैक्सिमाइज किया जाए एंड विजन, मिशन, ये सारी चीज़ें अचीव की जाएं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द की एरियाज ऑफ स्ट्रेटजिक रोल ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. सो फर्स्ट की एरिया वी हैव द वर्कफोर्स प्लानिंग अलाइंड विद बिजनेस नीड्स. जो भी एम्प्लॉयज़ किस तरीके से काम करेंगे वो सारी चीज़ें अलाइंड होनी चाहिए बिजनेस के नीड के अकॉर्डिंग, बिजनेस के गोल के अकॉर्डिंग. जो बिजनेस का, जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो मेन गोल होगा उसी के अकॉर्डिंग काम असाइन किया जाए. एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव टैलेंट एक्विजिशन फॉर फ्यूचर नीड्स, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव द लीडरशिप डेवलपमेंट, चेंज मैनेजमेंट सपोर्ट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव परफॉर्मेंस एंड रिवॉर्ड सिस्टम linked to strategy. For example, let's take an example of company Infosys, and if we talk about the Infosys, it is IT service based company. So Infosys want to expand its AI services in Europe. So this is the scenario of the company Infosys. So these are the HR strategies that we can implement in Infosys company. First, we have to identify the gap in talent. AI talent, that means artificial intelligence talents. After that, partners with universities for campus hiring in artificial intelligence, and also launches internal artificial intelligence training program for reskilling. After that, aligning KPIs, key performance indicators, to reward innovation and artificial intelligence based project delivery. So, what is the impact after implementing the HR strategies in Infosys? So, this is the impact, like human resource becomes a partner in driving global expansion, not just a support department. Next topic, we have competency mapping and balanced scorecard. If we talk about the competency mapping, it is a process of identifying the specific skill, knowledge, and behavior required to perform effectively in a role. एक पर्टिकुलर जॉब प्रोफाइल, एक पर्टिकुलर रोल के लिए क्या क्या स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड हैं, क्या क्या नॉलेज रिक्वायर्ड है, किस टाइप का बिहेवियर रिक्वायर्ड है, ये सारी चीज़ें देखना. इट हेल्प्स इन रिक्रूटमेंट, ट्रेनिंग एंड करियर डेवलपमेंट. अगर कंपिटेंसी मैपिंग की हम बात करें, ये किस चीज़ में हेल्प करता है? एम्प्लॉयज़ को रिक्रूट करने के लिए, एम्प्लॉयज़ को ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए, उनका करियर किस तरीके से वो प्रमोट होंगे विद इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये सारी चीज़ें देखना. दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ कॉम्पिटेंसेस. वी हैव थ्री टाइप ऑफ कॉम्पिटेंसेस. फर्स्ट वी हैव कोर कॉम्पिटेंसेस, second we have functional competencies, and third we have leadership competencies. If we talk about the core competencies, that means it required across all roles. For example, communication. कोर कॉम्पिटेंसेस जितने भी जो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में थ्री लेवल्स हैं, टॉप मैनेजमेंट, मिडिल मैनेजमेंट एंड lower management, in which how the employees are talk with each other, how they basically communicate with each other. So let's talk about these things and how the organization, how communication is helpful to enhance the productivity in the organization. Next we have the functional competencies, that means the role specific. For example, programming for IT. In the organization there are the different department. First department which we have HR department, marketing, sales, finance department, IT department. So these are the different department, and every department require the different skills, different knowledge, and different behavior. Next we have leadership competences, that means the strategic thinking and team building. How basically the employees work in a team, and how the leader guide the employees in a particular project that assigned by the company or manager, and how they basically coordinate with each other, and how they compete with each other, as well as contribute towards a particular goal in that organization. Next we have the example of competency mapping and balanced scorecard. So here is the example of, let's take an example of Tata Motors, and here the role of plant supervisor. He basically mapped the competencies. First competencies is leadership, second we have technical, know how to do the work, and third role is conflict management, and used for selecting candidate, designing training module, and setting promotion criteria according to the performance. Next we have the balanced scorecard. So basically balanced scorecard developed by the Kaplan and Norton. It's tool to measure organizational and individual performance from four perspectives. First perspective we have financial. Financial, for example, ROI and profit management, which comes under the financial. And second we have the customer, which include the satisfaction and retention. So we talk about the satisfaction of the customer as well as the retention. of the customer. For example, if one person is using the one brand like Nika and shoes of Nika, and after that we have to check this thing like again and again the customer buy the same brand product. And next we have internal processes, which we have quality and efficiency. We need to check the quality as well as the efficiency of the employees, how employees work in organization. Next we have learning and growth, which include the training hours and employees satisfaction. These perspectives are very important to check the performance of individual as well as the organizational. For example, let's take an example of Reliance Retail. Here we have to check the balance scorecard, and we have to check the balance scorecard by using these things like on the financial level, how the company work, and what is the status of customer. Internal level, how they basically work together, and what is the learning perspective, and what is the impact. If we talk about the financial term, where the increase to revenue by 15% after 1 year. And if we talk about the customer, they basically improved net promoter score to 80%. And next we have internal, where reduce the billing error by 10%. And next we have learning, where the train all the cashier in customer services. And we talk about the impact in Reliance Retail, it ensures that the balance scorecard focus beyond just profit. Okay, next topic we have career planning and development. So basically, this is the structured approach by organizational and individual to manage the progression of career. Progress को basically check करना and manage करना. It ensures the employee growth aligned with the business need, and which include the career pathing, mentoring, job rotation, promotions, and succession planning. And these are the benefits of career planning and development. It increases the employee motivation and also reduce the attrition, as well as better talent utilization, and also focus on the succession readiness. For example, HDFC Bank, and here is the scenario of HDFC Bank. A tailor applies to become a branch manager, and here is the career plan, performance evolution as a tailor, and also assigned a mentor, senior officer to check the performance, and also undergoes training in banking operation and customer management, were promoted to assistant manager after 2 years. And if we talk about the impact, these are the employees see a future in the organization and also improving the loyalty and reducing turnover. Next, we have the performance management and appraisal. Performance management is an ongoing cycle of setting expectations, measuring outcome, giving feedback, and improving result. Appraisal is the formal review of performance, typically annually or biannually. अगर हम परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट की बात करें तो ये बेसिकली क्या है, ऑन गोइंग साइकिल है. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार आपने परफॉर्मेंस चेक कर ली एंड ख़त्म, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. ऑन गोइंग प्रोसेस है, ये बार बार चलता रहेगा. और अगर हम बात करें परफॉर्मेंस को रिव्यू करने की, तो ये बेसिकली एनुअली एंड बाई एनुअली चेक की जाती है, एंड जिसमें कि मेज़र किया जाता है आउटकम और फीडबैक दी जाती है, ताकि जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, जो भी लूप होल्स हैं, जहाँ पे भी कमियां हैं, उन पे वो काम कर सकें, ताकि जो रिज़ल्ट इस बार आए हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम उन रिज़ल्ट को इम्प्रूव किया जा सके. These are the key tools and methods of performance management and appraisal. First method or tool we have MBO. MBO, that means the management by objective, where the goals set jointly by manager and employees. अगर हम MBO की बात करें, यहाँ पे जो गोल सेट किए जाते हैं वो मैनेजर एंड एम्प्लॉय के द्वारा सेट किए जाते हैं टुगेदर. नेक्स्ट वी हैव 360 डिग्री फीडबैक. इनपुट फ्रॉम पीयर, सबॉर्डिनेट एंड सुपरवाइजर्स। यहाँ पे जो इनपुट जो ली जाती है वो सारे देते हैं जितने भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में हैं, विच इंक्लूड द पीयर, सबॉर्डिनेट एंड सुपरवाइजर. Next we have bars. Bars, that means the behaviorally anchored rating skills where the rating tied to specific behaviors. स्पेसिफिक बिहेवियर के लिए यहाँ पे रेट किया जाता है एम्प्लॉयज़ को. नेक्स्ट वी हैव कंटिन्यूस फीडबैक वेयर द मॉडर्न agile method using frequent check-ins. For example, Google. Here the performance system uses the OKRs. OKRs, that means the objectives and key result, where the goals are public and ambitious. Employees get quarterly feedback. यहाँ पे जो feedback दी जाती है employees को वो दी जाती है quarterly. And also the promotion and bonuses are tied to OKR, completion and peer reviews. जो प्रमोशन या बोनस दिया जाता है वो दिया जाता है क्वार्टरली बेस पे. एंड दिस इज़ द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस सिस्टम. इट ड्राइव्स द ट्रांसपेरेंसी एंड अलाइनमेंट एंड इनोवेशन एंड कल्चर. So this is the summary of all the topics that we already discussed in this class. So first topic we have strategic HRM, that means align the HR with long-term business goals. For example, the Infosys using the HR for global AI expansion. AI expansion, that means the artificial intelligence expansion. And next we have the competency mapping, where basically identify the job specific skills and behavior. And for example, Tata Motors mapping competencies for supervisors. Next we have balance scorecard, where the holistic performance evaluation 4 areas. And for example, Reliance Retail tracking KPIs beyond profit. Next we have the career planning and development. It helps the employees to grow in line with company needs. And for example, HDFC promoting tailor to managers through training. And the last topic we have performance management and appraisal, which means the continuous goal setting, evolution and feedback evaluation. And for example, the Google's OKR based performance system. So that is all about for the today's video. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a great journey and keep learning and keep growing.